Come on. Good. Play. Let the sound begin.
91. Right to control Pasto. Hitting Pasto, Tebat dribbling the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Pasto hitting. 10 seconds to shoot. Blocked by number 8, dribbling ball. Negro dribbling the ball. Guarded by Scott. Utrina hit. Rebound by Lemon. Hitting. Jojo dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 9. Jojo dribbling the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Jojo pass. Hey, what a pass coming back. Jojo, here is Scott. Ang score. 4-0 in favor of Dota. 9 minutes na lang ang nahiling sa first quarter. For play that hit. Iskanya is there but not good again. Tebat secure the ball. Jojo dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 00. Tebat. A nice job but Tebat. But there's a whistle. Let's call it. Wow, number 9. First personal foul. First team foul. Remaining 8 minutes and 35 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. Jojo dribbling the ball. For play. Not good. Rebound by Negro. Negro dribbling the ball. Pass to number 00. Negro guarded by Eddie. Pass to number White. 15 seconds to shoot. Oh, what a block pass coming from White to Iskanya. 8 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. Ang score, Ronnie Sauce. Jojo dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 3. 10 seconds to shoot. Tebat dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 9. Tingin the pasangan. 5 seconds to shoot. Pass to Jojo. Jojo. Turn up. Go for Junior. Jojo. Number 003. Pass to number 8. Negro play. Not good. Rebound by number White. White dribbling the ball. Shot clock 10. Okay, not good. Rebound by Iskanya. Iskanya dribbling the ball. Nangitang pasan. Pass. Oh, what a pass coming from Iskanya. Great. Oh, Wallace 4 ang score. 7 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. Jojo. Hey, what a move coming from Jojo. Ang score. Size 4 in favor of Denmark. For play. Puts it in. Score. Kanang White. Hitting, dribbling the ball, pass to Roy. Roy, parihang lawas. Not yet, rebound by Hook. Arabang Pula, Jack Turma. Side sitting in favor of Tim Junel. Ang oras, 6 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. Lemon, 10 seconds to shoot. Pull up, jumper. Not good. Rebound by number 3. Number 00 dribbling, but there's a whistle. Who's called it? Number 27, Limon. First foul, first team foul. 6 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. Iskanya dribbling the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Iskanya for 3. Puts it in. Score. Slice chase in favor of Team Jonet. Jojo dribbling the ball, guarded by Green. 15 seconds to shoot. Jojo, nagkasasan, pass to Limon. Limon dribbling the ball, 10 seconds to shoot. Shot clock 10. 5 seconds to shoot. Jojo, nagkasasan, pass to Teban. Intercept pa number 9. Number 9 dribbling the ball, nagkali ng isang pagkasahan. Pass to Negro. Negro secure the ball for 3. Not good, but there's a whistle. Foul number 9. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Team Junel. 5 minutes and 55 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. 6-10 in favor of Team Junel. and 5 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. 6-10 in favor of Team Junel. Number 99 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 00. Intercept by Limon, but out of bounds. Pula sa Donmac. Team Junel is Scott dribbling the ball, guarded by Negro. Scott dribbling the ball. Hindi nakabasahan. 15 seconds to shoot. Limon, pass to Roy. Roy, what? But there's a whistle. Who's foul? Wow, Negro. Number 8. Team Junel, shot clock, 10. Roy dribbling the ball, pass to Iskanya. Hook, gigamit ang lawan. Ang lawan, ang hook. Coming from Roy. 3 minutes and 55 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. 8-10 in favor of Team Junel. Number 99 for 3.
Yes, still not. Wagad.
Good, dribbling the ball, pass to Limon. Intercept by Negro. Negro dribbling the ball. Guarded by Teban. Negro dribbling the ball. What a pass! Coming from Negro to number 99. 8-12 in favor of Team Junel. 3 minutes and 55 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. 15 seconds to shoot. Jojo dribbling the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Jojo, what a pass coming from, but not good. Rebound by Negro. Rebound. Negro dribbling the ball. Pass to number 00 for 3. Not good. Rebound by Teban. Teban dribbling the ball. Ang superstar sa Laut. Teban. Okay, bangga, but not good. Rebound by number 00. Gihatag ni yun, nag-reverse na rin, but not good. Rebound by Limon. Pass to Jojo. Jojo dribbling the ball, kahawat. Number 2 points.
Sipan.
Time out.
Gaya ka na Negro eh. Gaya ka na Negro. 12-10 labaw ang Team Junel.
Ang score. Number 00 dribbling the ball. Pass to Negro. Negro, nagkitagbasan. Intercept by Limon. Jojo dribbling the ball. 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. Jojo from the leg. Decide step up for the number 2 points. Jojo, what is to say ang score? Ang oras, 2 minutos na lang ang nagilid sa first quarter. Number 8 pass to Iskanya, pull-up jumper, proxerate and score. 14-12 in favor of Team Junel. Pass to number 30. Number 30. Looking, lugos, but not good. Rebound by number 00. Pass to Negro. Negro dribbling the ball. Negro up, corner lang. Wala dihatang na Iskanya. What a pass coming from Negro to Iskanya. 12-16 in favor of Team Junel. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining time for the first
Kantay mo
quarter.
depensa mo ni mo patayo.
Jojo dribbling the ball, 15 seconds to shoot. Yes, I say back to the lamp, but there's a whistle. Whistle, right? Kanang 0-0 maputi. First personal foul, warning for penalty, Team Junel. First throw, not good. The first second throw, ready for rebound. Good for 1 point, Jojo. 13-16 in favor of Team Junel. 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. Number 00 prepared, not good. Rebound by Negro. Hala! Gipili na sa Iskanya. There's a whistle. May kasama foul. 13-18 first quarter. Bonus throw, ready for rebound. Hindi ba wala na rin? Number 11, Roy. Roy, secure goal. Nakita mo pa Roy, intercept by Iskanya. Iskanya dribbling the ball. Ilan siya tabi. Hey! Guys! Libre masahe part! Number 2, dribbling the ball, pull up jumper, not good. Rebound by the music. Yes, but there's a whistle. Look at it. Number 99, dribbling the ball. Pass to Negro, guarded by Scott. Number 3, dribbling the ball. Nakita ka basahan, 15 seconds to shoot. Negro, pull up jumper. Not good. Rebound by number 30, 20 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. Jumper na pilot to Hanoy. 15 seconds to shoot. Roy na lang, ako na lang. Oh, but there's a whistle foul. Number 8, Negro. First throw, good. 9 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. Second throw, ready for rebound. Quarter 2. Roy, 15-20 in favor of team. 5 seconds remaining time. 2 seconds remaining time. And the first quarter on the score, 15-20 in favor of Team Jordan. Pass from number 9, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 99. Number 99, dribbling the ball back to number 9. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 00, not good. Rebound by Colasito. Nakita ko saan, pass to number 9. Tuwan ni number 99. One for 2 points by Casaba Pa. Who's power? Bonus throw, ready for rebound. Rebound by Limon. Pass to Corey Rosas. CJ dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 1. 15 seconds to shoot. Nakita ko saan. Pass to number 30. What a pass coming from CJ to number 30. Number 00 dribbling the ball. Miracles. Intercept by Limon. Limon pass to Estoria. But that's good. Kuha na yung Esto. Rino Basan. Pass to Tergosa. Back to Esto. Ako na lang yung reverse. Nakuha ni number 9. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Tergosa is there. To secure the ball. Pass to Limon. Limon inte. Sumabay ka pa ball. 1-2 points. 19-22 in favor of Team Juliet. 8 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Number 9 dribbling the ball. Pass to what a pass by number 99. But that's good. Out of bounds, Pula. Substitution without plug-in. Torregosa dribbling the ball. Guarded by Arejola. Torregosa fine by number 8. Intercept. Nakuha niya po number 30. Out of bounds, single. 13 seconds remaining. 13 seconds. Pass to number 30. Guarded by number 9. Intercept by Negro. Negro dribbling the ball. Nangitong kasahan. Pero kay Saksi na yung sa part kay Labaw na. Number 8 pass to number 14 is Kanya for 3. But not good. Rebound by Pacoy. Pacoy. Intercept by number 9. But is to secure the ball. Pass to Torregosa. Torregosa dribbling the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Torregosa guarded by Francisco Arejola. Out of bounds, pull up sa Team Jonel. 7 minutes and 29 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Number 9, dribbling the ball pass to Iskania for 3. Puts it in. For 3, Iskania. 1935 in favor of Team Jonel. Torregosa, guarded by Arejola. Torregosa ang kalang road for 2 points. 6 minutes and 55 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. 15 seconds to shoot. Negro, guarded by Esto. Negro, what a pass! But that's good! Rebound by number 27. Number 27, Limon!
shot.
Not good. Second row, ready for rebound. Not good. Rebound by Iskanya. Iskanya pass to Negro. Negro dribbling the ball. Pass. Good for 2 points. Negro. Number 27. Pass to number 30. Intercept. Negro again. Negro. Nagdali. Pass to Polas. Oops, intercept. Wala. Torring was dribbling the ball guided by Arihol. Torring was almost intercept, but Torring was secure it. Shot number 10 is still dribbling the ball. Shot number 5, but there's a whistle coming back. Pakoy, what's on it?
Time out.
5 minutes and 57 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Bonus throw. Bonus throw. 1 point.
20-24. Laban Team Junel.
Number 3 dribbling the ball. Number 3, 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Negro for 3. Shot. Secure the ball. Pass to Terregosa. Guarded number 9. Terregosa dribbling the ball. Behind the pass. Sipay number 1. Intercept by number 1. Number 1. Goal! Out of bounds. Pula. Substitute. Pass to Iskanya. Ball for
That's
2.
a shot.
Iskanya. Number 11, number 10 is still dribbling the ball. Guarded by Negro. Walang liho. For 3. Not good. Out of bounds. Pula. Sa Team Junel. 4 minutes and 55 seconds remaining by second quarter. Number 3 dribbling the ball. Palagi pikok-pikok. Grabe ba ay? Mapikok pa rin ay mong hawak part. Good for 2 points. Number 8, Terregosa. Dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 00. Pass to Pakoy. Pass to Estor. Pass to number 30. 10 seconds to shoot. Terregosa dribbling the ball for 3. Touch it in. Good score. Yes. 27-33 in favor of Team Junel. 4 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Number 3 dribbling the ball pass to Negro. Negro guarded by Terregosa. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Iskanya dribbling the ball pass to Negro. But there's a whistle. 3 seconds violation. Number 10 dribbling the ball. Estor. Pass to number 34. Estor intercept by Iskanya. Pass to number 99. 99 pass to number 00. Guarded by Terregosa. Number 99 dribbling the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 1. Rino Basan. Teardrop shot. That's not good. Rebound by Paul Quinn. Ashley. Table. Dribbling the blaster on. Number 30 dribbling the ball. Palagi tayo talaga pagtanggol. Table dribbling the ball. God for 2 points. Table. 3 minutes na lang ang nahabiling sa second quarter. 3 dribbling the ball pass to Iskanya. Pass. Wala wata mo pa Negro patay sa whistle. Whistle rep. Substitution. In out in. Not good. Second row. Second row. Ready for rebound. Good for 1 point. Negro. 29-34 in favor of Team Junel. 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Jong dribbling the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Jong dribbling the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Jong intercept by Negro, but Pakoy is there. Jong
Okay.
Good for 2 points. Backcourt. 31-34 in favor of Team Jonel. Pass to Negro. Negro for 3. Puts it in.
Otseren by Negro.
31-37 in favor of Team Jonel. 2 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Jojo guarded by number 3. One a spin, but not. Nice feed coming from number 99. Is score! But there's a whistle called by Mabala. First throw. Not good. Good for 1 point. Mabala dribbling the ball. Pass to Jojo. Jojo guarded by number 99. 15 seconds to shoot. Tackling, dribbling the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Mabala. Pass to Jojo. Jojo for 3. Not good. Rebound by Mabala. Mabala pass to Ponce. Not good again. Rebound by Negro. Negro naman kung saan. Pass to number 3. Substitution. In out in. 1 minute na tayo, otra tayo, so Papo sa Team Jonel. Heston, dribbling the ball. Pass to Jok for 3. Not good again, rebound by number 1. 56 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Good play, not good. Kuha ni Jok dribbling the ball. Pass to Pakoy! Sakay apart! Good for 2 points. Backcourt. 40 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Number 3 dribbling the ball guarded by Isto. Shot number 2. Pass to Green for 3. Ang yung ito. Good for 3 points. Number 22 seconds remaining time. Jump dribbling the 15 seconds to shoot. Mabala, 10 seconds to shoot for 3, not good. Rebound by number 9, 5 seconds remaining time. 3, 2, 1. End of second quarter.
41.
33-41 pabor sa Team Jonel. Sa Team Jonel is got dribbling the ball. May nagusan, Pastor Roy. Whoop! Traveling by yung lakang committed by Roy. Favor of Team Jonel. 9 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Great pass to number 1, right for 3, not good. Rebound by David. Ang superstar sa Halakay. He's got dribbling the ball, guarded by Gray for 3. Not good. Rebound by number 1. Right dribbling the ball. Right. Hit, not good. Rebound by Sir. Sir Mabala. Pass to Limon. Limon! Oh, but there's a whistle. Wow, number 8. First throw. Good for 1 point. Second row, ready for rebound. Not good. Negro dribbling the ball. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 99. Green ang inabot. Pass to Negro. Negro for 3. Not good. At rebound by Trevor. Pass to Limon. Pass to Iskat. Run a pass coming from Limon to Iskat. Green of Party dribbling the ball guarded by Mabala. Pass to number 99. Number 99 for 3. Not good. Rebound to secure the ball. Secure the ball by Teman. Teman! 1 for 1. 2 points. Teman. 43-36 in favor of Team Jonel. 8 minutes na lang ang kabilisan Negro for three. 46-36 in favor of Team Jonel. It's got dribbling the ball. Number 9. Good. 2 points, number 9. 48-36 in favor of Team Jonel. Number 11, Roy. 10 seconds to shoot. Roy! Not good. Rebound naman ni Roy. Roy iyan ang yambo. It's dropping, not good. Rebound after hapon. Pass! Taking him out! Number 9, number 3. Green of Country dribbling the ball. Green of body pass to number 99 for 3.
What a shot!
Foul!
Ripwell!
Team Jonel. Ang score 51-38. Ang score 51-38 pabor sa
Bonus throw.
not good. Rebound by Lemon. Lemon dribbling was pass to Jumbo. 51-38 in favor. Wow. Team Jonel. 6 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time. Wala, hindi Teban. Mas yun agad. Good for 2 points, Teban. 51-40 pabor sa Team Jonel. Rebound Pati. Negro dribbling the ball. Nakinapasan, 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. It's Kanya for 2. Not good. Rebound by Lemon. Lemon, kilabay. Pasok Teban. Iba na kahit lumatan. Good for 2 points. Teban. 42-51 in favor of Team Jonel. It's Kanya. Kinakapasan. Back to shot clock 12. Number 9, dribbling the ball. Shot clock 8. What a move! Shot clock 3. 2. That's it. Rebound by Lemon. Face ng kanan. Present by Lemon. Bakit hindi? Braso it. And away. Kyle Rakang. Committed by number 9.
Kaduha na oh!
Rocky 4. 51-42 in favor. Wow. Team Jonel. Jumbo. Dribbling the ball. Pull up. Jumper na Jerry. Estanya. Dribbling the ball. Intercept. Don't back to Rocky. Scott dribbling the ball. Up from the left back. Rebound by Negro. Pangalay dito. Negro at bakit hindi? Ang pass pula sa Tonga. Ang score 51-42 pabor. 51-42 pabor sa Team Jonel. 5 minutes and 8 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Pasok sa Kalisanan. Lemon. Jumper. Pagalitan. Good point for points. Lemon. 51-44 in favor of Team Jonel. 4 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Potato Pati. Dribbling daw ang winner. Shot clock 10. Foul. Teban. Dribbling Pati. Dribbling the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 99 for 3. Not good. Pagkakuha ni Lemon. Kilabay ni Teban. Hello? Number 8. Negro. Dribbling the ball guarded by number 23. Pass to Breno Ponte. Rebound by Lemon. Roy dribbling the ball. Lemon. Lang niya. Pagkakuha. Not good. Rebound by Lemon. throw but not. May 26 seconds but there's a whistle. What's foul, red? Counter foul. What's foul? Personal foul, 13 foul. Good luck. First throw. Good for 1 point. Ready for rebound. Good for 2 points. He's not dribbling the ball. He's not dribbling the ball. Short play. Not good. Raymond very good. They want to put up to the cross. Raymond. 53-49 in favor of Kingston. 3 minutes and 17 seconds. Remaining time for third quarter. Unlucky Penen. Good for 2 points.
Labi, Adoy.
One assist from
Binaw, binaw.
Number 20, dribbling the ball. Guarded by Greg Party. Devon, pass on it, good, Kawan. Good for 2 points. 55-51 in favor of Kingston. 2 minutes. 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time. Iskanya pass to. Unlucky group from behind the course. They go on right in the ball. Look at the Busan interception. Pass to Iskanya. Iskanya take it off. Not good. Raymond there. Dribbling the ball. 2 minutes and 55 pass to Lemon. Lemon takes it. Good for 3 points. Timeout. Kingston.
Tapsa na. Tuhan lagi labaw sa among team.
Number 9, dribbling the ball, pass to Graham Funky. Pass to Iskanya. Iskanya dribbling the ball, pass to Graham Funky. 15 seconds to shoot. Guarded by Tevan. Graham Funky will be not good. But rushing through the ball. Number 13, dribbling the ball, Jojo. 1 minute and 52 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Jojo for three, not good. Raymond by Roy. Roy dribbling the ball. Good. On the direct, out of bounds, Tula sa Pilgrim. 1 minute and 53 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Raymond dribbling the ball, guarded by Taylor. Pass to Iskanya. Pass to Raymond Pante for play. Not good. Raymond by Lemon dribbling the ball. Lemon dribbling the ball. Pass to Roy. Roy up for the start. Roy secure the ball. Pass to Iskanya. Iskanya. Tap to the ball. The ball is there. Oh, but there's a whistle. On the direct. Pass to Jojo. Pass to Iskanya. 10 seconds to shoot. Iskanya for three. Not good. Rebound. Who secure the ball? Rebound. Rebound. Pass to the next time. Taas na out. Ang oras, 1 minute and 7 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Ang score, 55-53 Pato sa team Jojo. Jojo dribbling the ball. 1 minute na lang ang nahulin sa third quarter. Jojo, 15 seconds to shoot. Right on the pass. Not good. Intercept. By Graham Pante. Graham Pante there. Right on the pass. 200 minute drive. Pull up the first. Comes the remaining score. Taking the finish. 53 Pato sa team Jojo dribbling the ball. Ano na siya? 36 seconds remaining time. Roy.
Nitumpa na. Eh.
30 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. 57-53 in favor. Number 9, not good. Pass to the good. Baseball pass. Pass. Pass to Tevan. Tevan. That's right. Short. And handle fight. Number 9, dribbling the ball. 10 seconds remaining time. 8, 7, 6 seconds remaining time. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let the third
53 in favor of Team Junel.
Rain of Lucky, dribbling the ball, guarded by Deva. Pass for number 99. Pass for number 9. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 9, teardrop shot. Puts it in and score. 61-53 in favor of Team Junel. Number 30, dribbling the ball. Joker. 15 seconds to shoot. Jump for 3. Not good. Play by number 30. Right of Patti, dribbling the wall, guarded by number 30. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to lane of Patti. Pass to 29. 5 seconds to shoot. Pass to Metro. 2 seconds to shoot. 1, 2. Ball for 2 and 3 to that. Number 20, dribbling the ball. Roland, 8 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time. Out of bounds, pull up. Shot 2. Roland, 8 minutes and 36 seconds remaining time for the last quarter. Green of Patti, drop to white of Patti. Dribbling the ball. 8 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time for the last quarter. Pass the middle, out of bounds. Shot number 30, dribbling the ball back to Limon. Limon, being guarded by one. There's by white of Patti. Nangitak po sa back to number 99. Give fake. Pass to number Pedro Pula. Not good. Reba Bernal. There's the whistle. Foul number 30. Second personal foul. First team foul. Burma. Roll to 1 point. Minutes and 7 seconds remaining time for the last quarter. Second row, both 2 points, number 9. 65-55, Pablo. Shot to Jordan. Jojo dribbling the ball. Guarded by Nico. Jojo to the side. Pass to Lindo. Back to Will. Take it now. One point, good point. 7 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time for the last quarter. 65-57 in favor of Team Junel. 12 seconds to shoot. Number 99, pull up jumper. 67-57, Pablo. Shot to Junel. 7 minutes and 25 seconds remaining time for the last quarter. Number 30, dribbling the ball. Left, but there is a whistle. Substitution. Second personal foul. First team foul, Team Junel. Then, Leon. Not good. Number 30, 2 points, number 30. Number 14 was back. Green of Patti dribbling the ball, guarded by Deva. Pass to Negro. Negro. Here. Hello? Never number 23. Pass to number 30. Unlucky on left again. Get out. On the left block. Good for 2 points. Number 30. 67-61 in favor of Team Junel. 6 minutes and 13 seconds remaining time. One now, one pass. Get rid of 69-61 in favor of Team Junel. Jojo, dribbling the ball. Now in the side. Pass to number 30. 10 seconds to go. Never. Ipapak. seconds remaining time. 69-63 in favor. Rock, Team Jordan. Is Tanya, pull up, jumper, not good. Rebound by White O'Putney. Go up for 2 points. White O'Putney. 71-63 in favor. Rock, Team Jordan. Bonus 5 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time. Number 8, number 14, Negro dribbling the ball. Guarded by Temba, takes the shot. Negro again, Negro. Hello. Pass to number 20. John one good. Rebound by Negro. Hand off Program 71-65 in favor. One, Team Jordan, 5 minutes na lang ang abilis sa last quarter. White O'Putney, pull up jumper, not good. Rebound by Negro. Negro pass over there. Number 20. Number 13, ako na lang nakawan. Hindi ako nakakita, not good. Rebound by Jogo. Jogo nagdala lang pass to number 30. Number 30. Number 30. 71-67 in favor. One. Team Jordan. 4 minutes and 36 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds to shoot. White O'Putney. Dribbling the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. What a pass coming from White O'Putney to White O'Putney. What a connection. 73-67 in favor of Team Jordan. White dribbling the ball. Pass to number 30. Number 30 for three. Not good. But there's a whistle. Who's foul? Number 11, Roy. Foul. Substitution. Number Negro dribbling the ball. Pass to number 15. You've got 15 seconds to shoot. White O'Putney again. Intercept by number 11. Pass to Jojo dribbling the ball. 3 minutes na lang ang narinig sa last quarter. 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time. Buti na!
Ang score 67-73. Labaw ang Team Junel. Fourth quarter.
73-67 in favor of Team. First throw, not good. Second throw, Rico. Not good. Rico by his friend. Yung fantastic throw for Team Negros. Stop and pop. Not good. Rico by 29. Pop. Number 19, the ball behind the pop. Started by Pante. Rico White O'Putney. Pop. Not good. Rico by 29. Number 5 to his kanya. Pop. Negro. Negro. Pop.
Kami
75-67 in favor of Team Jordan. Reynosa dribbling the ball. 2 minutes and 35 seconds remaining time for the last quarter. 8 seconds to shoot. Jojo, 4 seconds to shoot. Lemon! Lemon dribbling the ball. Negro dribbling the ball. Negro dribbling the ball. Nakita pass to White O'Putney.
67-77. Labaw ang Team Junel.
67 pabor sa Team Jordan. Kevin dribbling the ball. Pass to Lebron. Gilbert,
Gamay lang oras, gamay. Gamay na lang oras.
Dos minutos con 20 segundos ang bilis sa last quarter. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Tago is there. Nakita mo sa Tago. Ang libre na ball. Pasa, paso, Demon. Paso, number 30. Bola, sabi. Paso, Demon. Sinimisabi sa Lapiway. Pablo. Sa Team Junior. Ang oras, 1:57 remaining time for the last 2 minutes. Real Party dribbling the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Negos dribbling the ball. 12 seconds to shoot. Estanya. Paso, number 9. Bola, sabi.
Matumba kita siya. Very great itsa ba?
Dribbling the ball, 1 minute and 23 seconds remaining time for the last quarter. España pass to Breno Pati, 15 seconds to shoot. Breno Pati, 10 seconds to shoot. Ako lang ito ang atos, pag-letter. Jog, stop and pump. Jagod, rebound by Demon, kawan. Katakbo niya ako, Demon lang tinapon. Wala tinapon, nagloong ng pinigil na pinapon. Pwede ba ito? 79-71, Pabor sa Team Jurel, ang oras.
Patay.
Breno Pati dribbling the ball. 30 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds to shoot. Bago Pati ka Estanya, kahawasan. One play coming from Team Jurel. 32 seconds remaining time. 27 seconds remaining time. Jong, step up your play. Not there. Tammy. Back to Limon. 10 seconds to shoot. Pull up jumper. Not good. It's time right there. 15 seconds remaining time. 10 seconds remaining time. 8, 7, 6.
Gitiwasan. Nice play.
81.
84-71. Nidaog lagi din taon ang Team Junel versus Gubat.
Prepare. Next play. Go.